FieldLink 2025.3 now enables users to do a user-defined plane inspection, so model is no longer needed. In this example, we'll show you how to run an analysis to see how vertical this elevator shaft is. Simply go to user or scan user-defined inspection and then select vertical. The offset is the length of the wall you want to inspect. So we'll hit 85 feet. Users can then come in and either select 2 points to be the plane to run against. That'll run a line and then put a vertical surface up after we hit create and then accept. So after that, we can run through the inspection and see where that elevator core is leaning in or out. Here we can see zooming in, goes up fairly vertical going up and then starts to lean out at the top. This can be exported or shared as a report. Please reach out to your nearest building point representative if you have any questions.